Welcome to my lookbook whilst in Portugal on holiday. So in the first photograph I'm wearing a dress from Georgia Asda with sliders from Primark and cycle shorts from Primark. The next dress you're looking at now in the evening was another dress from Primark last year. And I just curled my hair just a little bit, made it a bit wavy. This little sundress also was from Primark last year. And we were out for sushi this evening, and of course, again, my outfit, including trousers, vest top and the little cover-up, all from Primark. This particular top I bought last year from Sainsbury's. I love this top, I wear it a lot. And this dress here, also from George at Asda. Such a comfy little sundress. This little sundress was from Primark, purchased last year in the summer. And the little hairband here, I actually bought that in Portugal. And the top I'm wearing here is a little sort of tunic dress from Simply Be. And I hope you've enjoyed just seeing some of the outfits that I wore whilst in Portugal this year.